Assalamu alaikum. Hello, everyone. A very good morning to all of you. How are you all today? I hope all of you are fit and fine. And I'm doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah as well. So, this is the morning time. I try to make videos at this time because I have no other time to make videos. And yes, so today is kind of not so much sunny and not cloudy day. It's a very fine day, and I'm having a great morning today. Okay, so dear my beloved brothers and sisters, mm, my exam is running right now, so pray for me and so that I can able to manage a good score or a good result for my first year. Okay, so I just wake up early in the morning. After that, I have to do a lot of works, and right now I have finished my second morning task. After that, I'm making this video and I'm going to do the third task in my hand. So in this area, okay, if I show you, this area is so much beautiful, so much natural, and so much uh, greenery. So I love to see green trees and something like that, because green is also beautiful for your refreshment. Okay, so yeah, I didn't make videos previous 2 days just because of my time management. I didn't manage time for it to make videos, so I'm sorry for that. And okay, so now I'm in like a village, so people are just strange when they see that I'm making this video in English. Okay, so this is all about today. See you soon, inshallah, the next video. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.